Good morning, class. Yesterday we started the topic articles. So the words a, an, and the are articles. A and an are indefinite article, and the is the definite article. Also, we learned the use of a and an. A and an both are used with singular and countable nouns. For example, a book, a horse, an orange, an apple, etc. Also, a is used when the sound is following, it is a consonant sound. A slate, a nib, a useful thing. An is used when the sound following, it is a vowel sound. An apple, an egg, an hour, an umbrella. Uncountable nouns which do not have their plural forms do not take a or an. For example, milk. We cannot write a milk, an milk, a sugar, an sugar, a gold, an gold, because they are uncountable. So it is clear to us that we can use a or an with the singular and countable nouns. So today we are going to use the article the, how to use the article the, where to use. So we know very well that the is the definite article. So you see on your screen uses of the. The definite article the has the following uses. So what are they? Let us see one by one. It applies to persons, things, events, etc. already referred to or being discussed. Means the things that we have already discussed. For example, we can see, there lived a fox and a crow in a jungle. One day the fox decided to leave the jungle, but the crow decided not to do so. So we have seen here in the first line we have used a fox, a crow, a jungle, and then in the next sentence the fox, the jungle, the crow, because they are already referred to, they are already discussed, therefore we have used the with fox, the jungle, and the crow. Second one is the is also used when who or what is referred to is quite obvious. The student, where is the principal? Peon, he is in the office, because it is quite obvious. Principal, office is a particular person and place. The car is in the garage. The next is, it is used with a noun when it stands for something unique. Unique things are there. The sun, the moon, the earth, the universe. Also, the is used when the superlative degree is there. We know that there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. So when superlative degree is there, we use the tallest, the smallest girl, the fattest boy, the most intelligent student, the tallest of 4 girls. So in this way, with superlative degrees, we use the. It is also used before the names of seas, oceans, river, and canals. The Mediterranean Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Yamuna River, etc. Also, it is used with adjectives and participles to denote all members of a class. We should help the poor. The poor here means all the poor people. It is a class. They opened a school for the dumb. The dumb means all the dumb people. The injured were removed to the hospital. The injured means all the injured people. It is used before a singular common noun to denote the whole class. The horse is a faithful animal. The horse means the class of horse. Then, who invented the telephone? What is the color of the crow? Then the next topic is omission of articles, where articles are not needed. See number 8, it is written. See number 8, it is written, no article is used. Before proper abstract and material noun used in a general sense. Before proper abstract and material noun used in a general sense. Proper noun we know, name of a particular person, place or thing. Abstract we know that we cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can feel about that, we can think about that. And material we know that a substance out of that things are made. So Kolkata is a big city. Honesty is the best policy. I like rice. But it is correct to use the before them when used in a particular sense. The Kolkata of today is different from the Kolkata of yesterday. The honesty of these people must be praised. The rice that you brought was good. Before plural common nouns used to denote a class or in a general sense. Letters are delivered by the postman. I think everybody likes mangoes, but it is correct to use the before them when used in a particular sense. I have replied the letters I received yesterday. The mangoes you sent me were delicious. In certain phrases, by train, by post, on foot, etc. So we have learned the use of articles a and the, and also we have seen the omission of articles. So I think now you are able to use them in a proper way, and in the blanks how to fill them in a proper way. Thank you.